Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to sign up and use Hoopla Digital, an online resource with ebooks, e-audiobooks, music, movies, and TV shows. First, you'll go to hoopladigital.com. During your first visit to Hoopla Digital, you will need to sign yourself up with an account. To do so, you can hit Get Started Today. You will enter your email address, confirm your email address, and then create a password. After you have entered this information, you will click Next, where you will be prompted to choose your library district. I'm going to choose Aurora Public Library because that's my local library, and then click Next. You will then enter your library card number and click Next. Once you have created your account, you can log in with your email address and password. You will not be asked to enter library card number again. This is the home page for Hoopla Digital once you are logged in. You'll see in the upper left-hand corner under the Hoopla logo, there is this red circle with a number in it. That is the number of remaining downloads you have for this month. The number of downloads renews on the first of each month. You can see as you scroll down, there's a section for Currently Borrowed, where you can see materials that you have currently checked out. Recommended for You, which is a section of recommendations based on previous downloads. And Favorites, where you can save some of your favorite materials. There are a couple ways you can search for materials on Hoopla. First, you can hover over Browse at the top of the screen and select by category. So I'm going to choose Music. Once I click Music, you see all the different things you can download on Hoopla. You can also sort by categories, such as Recommended, Featured, Popular, or categories or genres. Another way to find materials you are interested in is via search. If you know the author, title, or artist that you're looking for, you can go to the top search bar and simply type it in. So I am searching for the new Elton John album, Revamp. And here it is. Once you find a material you are interested in borrowing, you hover over the item and click Borrow. Once you borrow an item, you're able to start reading it or listening to it immediately. If you go back to My Hoopla at the top and click My Hoopla, you can see that I now have this album currently borrowed. I can click on it and listen to it in my browser, or you can listen to it via mobile devices through temporary download. This was a quick look at how to use Hoopla Digital. Thanks for watching.